In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a component in Figma in a clear and simple way so you can build designs faster and stay consistent. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the element you want to reuse. This could be a button, navigation item, card, icon, or any UI element you plan to use multiple times in your design. Before turning it into a component, make sure the design looks exactly how you want, including colors, text styles, and spacing. With the element selected, right-click and choose Create Component, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows or CMD+Option+K on Mac. Once you do this, Figma converts the element into a component, which you'll recognize by its purple outline. This original version is called the main component. When you duplicate it or copy and paste it elsewhere, Figma creates instances of that component. These instances stay linked to the main component, meaning any design change you make to the main component will automatically update every instance across your file. You can still customize certain properties in instances, such as text or images, without breaking the connection. This makes components extremely powerful for maintaining design consistency while working efficiently. Using components is one of the best habits you can develop in Figma, especially for larger projects or team collaboration, because it keeps your designs organized, scalable, and easy to update.